You guys know what time it is. No gas. Ain't got no gas in it. Nail it. Oh. Woo. My phone just dropped. Crap. I'll get it later. Woo. She's running strong. Keep the windows up because I can't exactly spoil the exhaust thing yet. Coming soon, guys. Bear with me. I'm gonna drop off the car to my boy so he could take it to go get serviced, and he's swapping into something else to drive. You know, I think you guys will enjoy it. I'm really curious to see how it rolls too. So give you guys a little pulley pull. See how she's running. Oh, these bumps in this lane right here, it kills me. But yeah, it's how she looking right now, man. It's how she looking. You guys are familiar with the cockpit. Is even a cop in there? Oh yeah, he's in there. He got the radar going. Oh God, here we go. Got a Q50. Let me be, man. Yeah, look at him. Look at him. I knew it. I will smoke the shit out of that goddamn car, boy. You better calm that ass down. Come on, man. Woo! You see how that with the 85 in it? God damn. If I kid you not, I swear to you, Corey, there was nobody over here. Nobody. Woo. Boy, heck of a lot easier to get in this thing, I'll tell you that. Oh wow, it's pretty quiet. Yeah, so this is my buddy's X3M. I call it the M3 off-road edition. Who's that? Same engine is in my car, the S58, same setup. I think the gearbox, all I think is the same, honestly. It's just all-wheel drive. But it's a truck. So you know, horsepower numbers, 6130. I think these things get like 10 seconds and a quarter mile, you know, fully tuned, the 85 and meth or whatever you want to call it. These things can move. They're pretty good, quick cars for what they are. It's a freaking giant truck with a moonroof. You could fit so much stuff in the back, you know, strollers, what have you, has a hatch. No one will assume or expect you to, you know, got the things you'll get. But that's like half the story, right? This is an M car. M cars are never really about straight line performance. Now, the reason why, me personally, I call this car the M3X off-road package or whatever is because, I don't know, I feel like a lot of people who look at something like the G80 or the G82, M3, M4, but they want a little bit more room. They think, oh yeah, just get the X3M. It's like the exact same thing, but just a truck, and it'll be the, you know, I don't know, the truck M3. And I want to know if that's true. Half of me wants to believe that it's true, but just driving this thing right now, I don't know how to feel about that. One, the interior is totally different. You have more of an M5 interior in here. This little gear shifter thing right here is really funny. Believe it or not, the smallest things take a lot to get used to. Same steering wheel. Ooh, nice little C8. But yeah, very soft suspension. I have everything in comfort right now because I didn't really plan on driving his car any type of wild, and I still don't. You know, no craziness, digs, launches. I'm just gonna take it on a nice little stroll, see what I think about it. Interior is pretty cool. A lot more quiet in here than you'd think from, you know, such a beast of a car, the X3M, you know. But everything in comfort, it honestly just feels like a normal car. Like there's nothing, doesn't feel special too much. When I jump in my M4, it's like I instantly feel like I want to go fast no matter what setting it's in. Like I instantly feel everything. This is obviously a lot different. I wouldn't expect it to be close in that one. But we on roads like this, I'm not going to waste any time. Steering, I'm going to throw in Sport Plus. How we feeling? Nah, that's a little bit too much. Sport is good. Suspension, I want to throw in Sport Plus. I just want the bounciest they have. Engine I'll keep it efficient for now, because let's face it, Mike don't know what he's doing. So we're gonna bump the shifts all the way up. Does this thing have a mode where you can change the dash? I don't know, but see what she's got in there. Oh wow, it's quiet. You know, it's funny, I've heard this car from outside too, so I know she runs. I know she's loud. That's what I meant to say. Okay. Definitely throw it in sport mode, so you can tell this is a big, heavy car. So I got everything pretty much turned up. Oh, here we go. Got a little bit louder. It actually sounds pretty good. Wow, that actually sounds pretty good. Wow. Okay. Tell you one thing though, the AC fan is probably louder than the exhaust in this thing. And the AC fan's not loud by any means. I didn't have it cranked all the way up. But this thing's pretty fun. The window tint, boy, you don't know how much I love not having it. This is probably like half throttle. But yo, I could barely see shit out of this thing sometimes, especially at night. I get the point, bro. How do you mute? Is a button ready to mute? Did I mute it? I don't know what I just did. Hopefully I did. There's gonna be a lot of overspeed in this thing, pal. So here we go, guys. Moment of truth. See what she's got in her. It's gonna be hard to keep something like this high, like RPMs high. I just naturally can't do it. Yo, this thing drives like a car, bro. Yeah, your mother. Yo, this thing handles good. I'm surprised. I don't know why I'm surprised, but she drives pretty good. Brittle path. Nailed it out the corner. Oh, you could definitely have way more fun in this car. I'm probably It's just nice. So I was a little quiet because I was thinking. Insert me thinking. This car's pretty cool. Does it remind me of the JD? Not in the slightest bit. Does it remind me of an SUV though? Not when you're driving it. Like, it feels heavy, but it feels so nimble. I have everything turned up. It feels nimble. Like, it drives really good. Now, looks-wise, BMW obviously did a bang-up job. The truck looks fire. So does every other BMW. This one doesn't look that much more sporty than the X3 M40i, in my opinion. Like, if you know what you're looking at, you know, the front clip and obviously the X3M badge right there. Because I'm not sure, I think that's the comp wheels, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe it's not, I don't remember. But yeah, I don't know. From a lot of angles, it really just looks like an X3 M40i. BMW's been making their non-M cars look way, way, way more aggressive and perform better. Good for the M Lite guys, because in all reality, that M badge does kind of sort of mean something. It is a lot more sportier than the 30i. However, even in the 30i, you could get Brooklyn Gray with a sports package and the winged mirrors and things that were just specific to M's, you can now get on the lowest trim BMWs, which, you know, for the everyday person who just wants to roll around and stunt, you should pretty much get anything at this point. It's all the same. Never have I ever in my life seen a Yas Marina 340 or a Yas Marina 335. Never in my life have I ever seen that goldish, yellowy color out of the M's. Like, it's just when you see a BMW and it's that color, you know what it is because of the M specific colors. Something like you would think Brooklyn Gray would be, right? You know, Brooklyn Gray, I think, started out on the M's. And you see a Brooklyn Gray in traffic flying past. Look at that. Brooklyn Gray G80. G82, my bad. If you want a truck, but you don't want it to drive like a truck, you want it to drive like a freaking NASCAR sports car and go around corners, ride around on big ass freaking Michelin tires or Continental or what have you, then this might definitely be the car for you. It's definitely not an M3, M4 truck, but it is an M car, and you can feel that. Or it is an M truck, I would say, because M trucks feel like cars. And it's like, I don't know, it's like this is the perfect happy medium. And you can somewhat go off-roading in it. I wish it was mine because I try something. Whew. Yeah, but we all know how good this is. Woo! See, came in clutch. I'd have just yanked the wheel out and just pulled out. Oh, I forgot they got the M1 and M2 buttons right here. I'm not gonna mess with his settings. I'm gonna put everything back. Set up. Oh, I'll just press M1. Let's see what he has. I'll just drive it in his M1 mode, whatever he drives. So, but it is cool. Now, I'm pretty sure you guys would love to see me launch this thing or XYZ, but it ain't my car, so. I know this video is most likely gonna be pretty short because I'm about to do what I think 95% of people do in their X3Ms, and that's like run errands. Do a couple things I gotta do, take care of a couple things I gotta take care of, but this is a comfortable car to do it in, yo. Like, I feel different. You can tell I just feel different in the car. The seats are not as unsupportive as like the non-Ms, but not as uncomfortable as the carbon buckets in my car, which I think feel the best. But, you know, when you sit in something else, you do feel more comfortable. I think I'm about to get out of here, man. Mike from Slow Speed. Peace out.